The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage trend to advance. Be that as it may, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the immense capability of Bitcoin could be additionally tackled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has started its life. Bitcoin money specialized investigation, figuring out the nitty-gritties. A profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, notwithstanding having large future outcomes, likewise potential and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, hence, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater nimbleness, rolling out revolutionary improvements to the task's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Solidifying patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin money expectation and show it might go on an uplifting perspective. This incorporates both least cost and most extreme cost. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $1,499 toward 2022 in the couple of the following months end. As per determined Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $515.84 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money gauge is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $421.39 as least cost toward 2022 out of 1 year's end, as indicated by the major examination and cost estimate. Independent of its reception, the BCH coin will quite often confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up somewhat lower, say by 2023 $378. A ton of Bitcoin money gauge improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. Be that as it may, its future exhibition will doubtlessly be connected with Bitcoin's presentation. Subsequently, an inside and out bullish expectation of $58.91 toward the finish of 2025. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta wire tipping bot, TipMemchBot, which empowers message clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There is additionally news that the behemoth will think of its own hard forks, prompting numerous potential ways that assistants to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No big surprise this would be useful to give a gigantic push to the cost of Bitcoin money on the lookout. Bitcoin money cost today is exchanging around $385 with a coursing supply of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as deduced by specialists. All the more significantly, the undertaking is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past triumphs and believability the other digital money world with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary forms. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $1,500 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost being the posterity of BTC, it is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming Bitcoin cost is going upwards, the BCH value also will profit from that in no time. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As per Bitcoin cash cost expectation 2022, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market feeling of Bitcoin money. ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a transient expectation whether the Bitcoin money value gauge will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a reason to have some hope without a doubt. In the main, around 50% of the Bitcoin cash cost expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as greatest cost in the final part. The BCH value swings will keep on showing a positive pattern and recapture $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost forecast from January 2022. At present, Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general feeling for digital currencies throughout the following months. The Bitcoin money cost conjecture is refreshed on everyday schedule. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way typically every several years. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as greatest cost in the final part. Sooner rather than later, possible. The finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be ideal for heightening, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost force and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market with a presentation of cost fixed around $730 in the long-term end. In the main portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin money can possibly maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost gauge when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 100x more than its up until recently all-time high in view of our BCH cost expectation. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $796 and $840 as greatest cost in the final part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $850 in 2025 continuously and, notwithstanding, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on unbelievable assumptions. 2. Markets stay as positive as usual. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost estimate, BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is